Hello and welcome to another video. There are many ways that you can display botanical postcards, and in this video I'm going to show you 5 ways. A first way is to make a horizontal garland. Simply hammer a couple of nails into a wall, attach some twine, and with clips or small pegs you can attach your postcards. A second way is to make a vertical garland, and for this simply tie a length of string or twine from a curtain rail, or you could use a string of fairy lights as I've used here, and then attach your postcards. Decorative tags are a third way to make use of your postcards. Simply snip the corners at the top at an angle, punch a hole into the top centre, and finish off with a ribbon of your choice. And you can place the tags just about anywhere. I like to use them when I'm drying herbs, and you can write details of dates and herbs on the back. A fourth way to make use of your botanical postcards is to turn them into gift tags. Start by cutting the postcard in half and half again. Snip the top 2 corners at an angle. Punch a hole in the centre. And thread through some twine or string. A fifth and final way to make use of your postcards is a much more traditional way of framing and hanging them.